oblique crunch, we want to have our feet placed against the wall and our hip resting on the Swiss ball. When we go into the crunch, as we extend over, we're going to think about inhaling, expanding through the rib cage, getting a nice stretch through that top side, and then pulling back up as we exhale. So it's going to look like this. We're going to go inhale, big stretch through that top side, and then exhale, pulling yourself back up. Throughout this movement, we want to think about keeping our rib cage and pelvis aligned and that we're not rotating or twisting one way or the other.